This time we are going to do base-wise subtraction with two 3-digit numbers. And the first thing is to do the setup just like last time, and we are going to put down the first number at the top. So we are going to have 204 base 5. And then the second number we put it under it, and then we just need to make sure that the digits lined up correctly. So we have 1, 2, 3 base 5. And then we draw the horizontal line, and then we're ready to do the subtraction. Again, I'm going to also work with manipulatives at the same time. And so first we are going to draw the top number, and we have two flats, right? So we have two flats. So those are the big square pieces. And so those are two flats, and we have no longs at all, right? So and that means we, as you can see, because we are going to take away two longs later on when we do the calculation. So we will need to borrow from the flats. And we have 4 units. So we have 4 units here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are ready to do the subtraction. First, we are going to subtract the units. And we have 4 units, we only need to take away 3 of them. So we actually have enough units, and we don't need to do any borrowing, we just do the subtraction. And so 4 minus 3, we are going to get 1. And if you look at the manipulatives, you can, the same thing is happening, right? So we take away 3 of them. So 1, 2, and then 3. So now they are gone. Now let me just take the thumb here so that we can put those useless pieces in the dump so that they don't distract us. And then we have put this in here, and then also this one. Okay, so now we continue with the subtraction. Since we have 0 longs and we want to take away 2 longs, we need to get some longs first so that we can do the subtraction. So what we can do is to borrow from a larger place value, which is the flat. And now let's do that. And if we borrow 1 flat, we are going to get 5 longs. And so we break down this one flat, and then we are going to gain 5 longs here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yeah. So we can do the same thing here in our calculation. So we borrow 1 flat. And then now we're just left with 1 flat. And then how many longs are we gaining? We're going to gain 5 longs. And so because we originally have no longs, now we cross out the zeros, so we're going to put a 5 at the top. And then we can do we can continue to do the calculation. So we put this in here. So let's do a quick check and make sure that our numbers and the pieces agree, right? So we have 1 flat left, and then we have 5 longs, and we have 1 unit left. We already did the unit calculation, so we're not going to worry about the units anymore. So now we can actually do the calculation, and we can subtract the longs at this point. So we have 5 longs, and we want to take away 2 of them, so we take away just those 2. So 1 and 2. So now they're gone. And how many do we have left? We have 3 longs left. And so let's write down that answer. So 5 minus 2, and then we're going to get the 3. So we have 3 longs left. And let's put away all this. And then now we also need to do the subtraction for the flats. 1 minus 1, we actually get 0, so usually we don't even need to put the number here. And as you can see here, we are going to take away that 1 flat, and that's the only flat that we have. That's why we have no more flats after doing the subtraction. So yeah, so we cross out this one, and then this one is gone. And then so the answer is 3, 1 base 5. We have 3 longs left and 1 unit left, and we are finished. Thank you for watching this video.